Now, before we calibrate as transmitter, now we will calibrate it as a converter, pneumatic to current. So, pneumatic to current, we need 0.2 signal here. Okay? 0.2 signal. Okay? 0.2 signal. So, when we have 0.2 here, okay, I'll put this one in calibration. Enter. Enter. Now, we will put next the low range value. Okay, the low range value is 0.2. Okay, now we will put enter. Okay, now we need upper range value. Now this one should be 1000 millibar. So now it's 1000 millibar. Wait for some time. When we reach 1000 millibar, that is our upper range value. Okay, 1000 millibar. Okay, when we reach 1000 here. Okay, now it's 1000. So we will put enter here. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now we will save the program. Saving the program. Save. Okay, now it's saved. Now we can check now 50%, it's around 600. So here to get value 12 milliamps. So here it's 600. Okay, now we have 12 milliamps. Okay, so this is how to calibrate this PI converter, from transmitter to converter. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and